Writers, it's week 9. We only have this week and one more left, believe it or not. And I'm going to be sad to see you guys go. I've been still enjoying everything that you're writing and your excellent comments to each other. This week, you're going to read a short piece. I was amazed by this piece, how in so few words the author was able to convey 3 things that I want you to think about this week: characterization, conflict, and climax. And so you're going to read that and tell me how you think that the author did that, where you saw the characterization, which means making the characters seem like real people, what was done to make them seem real. Climax, meaning the turning point of the story where you can see that the conflict is being resolved. And the conflict, what led to that climax. So you're going to look for that. And then you're going to set up your own story. So you're just going to give me the bare bones of what your story is going to be about. You're going to tell me what you have in mind for your character, conflict, and climax. What's your basic plot? It's going to be very short, what you're going to write to me, just to give you a plan. So you start thinking about your story that you're going to write for week 10. And then you're going to comment on each other's ideas. Maybe you have some suggestions, and maybe you saw something different in the story than someone else saw, so you'll be able to comment on that. For your question this week, I want you to tell me which do you think is your strong point: characterization, conflict, or climax, that turning point. For me, it's characterization. I always find myself spending a lot of time on the characters when I write. I love to explore characters. That's what I love to see when I read. I can read a story where nothing ever happens as long as the characters are interesting and developing. Other people are much more interested in the conflict and the tension in the story. I like that too, but I like to see it through the characters as opposed to bombs exploding or people getting shot or something like that. But other people have different tastes. So you tell me what you think is your strong point. Which one do you write best: character, conflict, or climax? And I'll be looking forward to seeing what you come up with this week. Okay, bye-bye.